Hi, I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. We've been a siding replacement company since 1989 and we've helped homeowners across San Antonio and the Hill Country elevate their homes' looks and provide them with lasting siding. So today we're going to talk about what a fiber cement siding replacement can cost you in 2023. How much does fiber cement siding cost? Fiber cement siding is an investment. If this is the product you're interested in for your home, expect a higher cost for a professional installation than other siding types. In 2023, fiber cement siding costs around $35,000 to $45,000 for 1,500 square feet of siding. This is a standard cost for professional installation and does not include soffit or fascia replacement. If you're looking for the least expensive fiber cement option, you can buy siding yourself at big box hardware stores for about $3,000 to $5,000 for 1,500 square feet. However, this cost won't include all that comes with a professional installation like wall repair, prep, substrate, full installation, nails, tools, all the other stuff you're going to need to install that siding. So what goes into that cost? Let's talk about some of the factors that affect your costs.
The overall cost of your siding replacement project depends on the square footage of your project, the condition of your current siding, customizations, and recommended additions. How square footage impacts the cost of your replacement siding. With most home remodeling projects, the project size will be your biggest contributor to the cost. The larger your home, the more siding is required in the project. Now, most homes are not built like cardboard boxes. Just looking around, you can see that most homes have many corners and angled sides that require extra steps and cuts, which creates more waste, which all adds to your cost. The condition of your current siding. Did you know that the condition of your current siding and substrate can lower the cost of your new siding replacement? If you've taken good care of your current siding, then it may be used as substrate for your new siding. If the siding or wall is extremely deteriorated or damaged, it can cost you $2,000 to $8,000 on top of the total cost of your project for labor and repair. But if your siding is in great condition and only needs attention in maybe one small area, that can lower the cost. Replacing a small area of a side as opposed to the entire side will obviously be less expensive. Added customizations. With any home remodeling project, there's always room for customization, depending on the contractor you choose. For siding, you can customize how the board looks when it comes to its size, style, and color. Within those three categories, each manufacturer has different styles. Any of these options of style can cost you 10 to 15% more per square foot of your project. Recommended additions. There are many recommended additions that can be added to your replacement siding project. The biggest recommendation is to have your soffit and fascia covered with the same siding as the rest of your home. Now, the soffit is the underneath area between the edge of the roof and the wall, and fascia is the front-facing trim on your roofing. It is recommended to get your soffit and fascia included with your siding project to add extra protection to the siding against climate, water, deterioration, and ultimately last longer. Having realistic expectations for your San Antonio siding replacement. It's important to remember that cost and quality go hand in hand when it comes to a siding replacement. You can't expect to pay the least amount of money and receive the highest quality siding replacement. You just can't. Now, we understand talking about costs and budgeting isn't always the most fun thing. However, it is an important conversation to help you have realistic expectations for what you are looking to pay for your project and to know how much you should budget. To help you out, we've linked an article above that will outline 5 steps to outline the right budget for any home improvement project. Then you can follow the step-by-step guide to define your goals for your siding replacement project and decide what the right budget is for you. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.